Hello viewers, I received a new frame for my new racing 5-inch quad. It's Tonier 220mm frame. So let's see what's in the bag. I think I'll need the scissors. For this to open. Okay, let's put everything out. So as I mentioned, it's 5-inch frame and the thickness of the arms is 5mm of carbon fiber. Other plates are 2mm. Yeah, there is no instruction manual at all. This is bag with bolts and nuts, but I think it's quite easy to assemble by the pictures on the website. You can find the link in video description. How to mount everything up. It accepts flight controllers either 30.5mm, either 20mm flight controllers, so it is quite versatile frame. I'll show you now how it looks in real on the website, and these pictures are quite enough for you to assemble the frame itself. And of course I'll try to assemble it by myself, and I'll show you how it looks like assembled. And another thing, let's put it on a scale. To see the weight of all components. Since it's carbon fiber with all bolts and nuts, it's around 104 grams. There, basic assembly took me around 10 minutes, so it's quite easy to assemble it just by the pictures from the website. This is the difference on what size is your flight controller. If it's 30.5 by 30.5, then you will put the longest screws near the edge of the frame or towards the arm itself. But if you are going to use 20 by 20 flight controller, then use shorter screws outside and longer inside, so you can put your flight controller on it. Here in the middle, I suppose I should use the smaller screw. I will change that. And of course there is a lot of spare screws of all sizes, so you can actually mount it as you wish. Now let's put it on the scale assembled and see the real weight. And the real weight is exactly 100.22 grams with all the screws. Okay, thanks for watching. Link to the product is in the video description, and see you next time. Bye.